ওদের অডিও অন আছে, অডিও অন আছে, বন্ধ।
Morning.
Good morning, my lord. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Your lordship is audible.
The internet signal is very weak.
So, with your lordship's approval, can I start the program, my lord?
Definitely, please.
Yes.
I would request my lord, the Honorable Justice Tapabrata Chakraborty, Honorable Chairperson, Calcutta High Court Computer Committee, to deliver the welcome address, my lord.
Very good morning to the Justice, my learned brothers in the Computer Committee, the learned registrars, the learned judicial officers of the District Judiciary, the members of the IT team, the software developers. I extend a warm welcome to all present in this inauguration program of the e-filing 3.0 in the district courts of West Bengal. The e-filing system is an online platform used by high courts and district courts nationwide to submit legal documents, including plaints, written statements, replies, applications in both civil and criminal matters. The e-filing cases in West Bengal, starting with the Honorable High Court at Calcutta, was introduced in January 2022. It was implemented to facilitate the online filing of legal documents for both civil and criminal cases in the High Court at Calcutta as part of the larger e-courts projects under the guidance of the Honorable Supreme Court's e-committee. The facility of e-filing was implemented in 3 of the 4 commercial courts in West Bengal, along with the City Civil Court, with effect from 1st of March 2023. And subsequently, all the commercial courts have migrated to e-filing 3.0. This journey, however, would have been unthinkable and unattainable without the proactive steps, the encouragement, and the unwavering support of our Honorable the Chief Justice. By the present initiative, e-filing 3.0 is being introduced in all the district and subdivision courts of the state. However, keeping in view the infrastructural challenges, the same is sought to be done in a calibrated manner. Accordingly, as a pilot instance, e-filing 3.0 is being made available in district courts, in the district judiciary of the West Bengal with regard to cases of divorce by mutual consent under Section 28 of the Special Marriage Act, Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act, and Section 10A of the Divorce Act through advocate login only, simultaneously with physical filing of such cases. Upon undertaking impact assessment exercises and corresponding corrective measures as may be required, the facility would be gradually opened up for remaining categories of cases. The implementation of exercise would include provisioning of training sessions for advocates, law clerks, court staff, and other stakeholders on a periodical basis for equipping them to exploit the full potential of the e-filing system. We are going through a phase of technological revolution in the field of litigation, and I am proud to announce that the implementation of this e-filing 3.0 is a key step towards a more efficient, equitable, and technologically empowered judiciary. I convey my congratulations to all and a very good day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. May I now request my lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, to virtually inaugurate e-filing 3.0 for the district courts by clicking the button, my lord. Prasad to know. Prasad টা কি ওখান থেকে সরাও? হুম? Your lordship,
Am I audible now, Debangsu?
yes, my lord, your lordship is audible. May I request your lordship to click the button with the cursor for inaugurating e-filing 3.0 for the district and subdivisional courts, my lord. It's the bottom tab, my lord.
No, problem is there's no internet. I just opened it through the mobile phone. One second. No, I'd request Justice Tapabrata Chakraborty to please inaugurate. There's some problem. I'm not able to.
Okay, my lord, we are arranging it accordingly, my lord.
Yes. Lordship may inaugurate.
দিয়ে দাও, my lord. ওই কার্সারটা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ এই নিচে নিচে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ এটা ক্লিক করলে ক্লিক ডাবল ক্লিক করুন ডাবল ক্লিক May I now crave your lordship's leave for a short virtual tour of the e-filing 3 platform to explore a few of the salient features, my lord.
Yes, please.
Thank you, my lord.
Welcome to the e-filing portal, a complete end-to-end solution for filing plaints, written statements, replies, and various applications related to cases. Advocates registered on the portal can log in with their username and password for filing cases online. Upon opting for new case filing, the district, the court establishment, the nature of relief sought for, and the case type has to be selected, followed by putting the party details. On submission of the details, an e-filing number would be generated. Thereafter, litigant details starting with that of the petitioner, such as name, gender, age, address, contact details such as email and mobile number have to be selected. If there are more petitioners, it has to be selected for each petitioner. Similarly, identical details have to be filled up for the respondent also, There are specific fields for recording special information such as whether the party is a differently abled person or whether he or she is a pro forma respondent. Fact details can be put in, followed by cause of action, prayer, and other particulars of the suit. On submitting the details, the case is e-filed successfully with the generated e-filing number. There are subsequent options of uploading pleadings and paying court fee through e-payment system. Thank you for watching the video.
May I now request the Honorable the Chief Justice, my lord, to deliver the inaugural speech.
Yes. Honorable Justice Tapabrata Chakraborty, Chairman of the Computer Committee, Honorable Justice Debangsu Basak, Honorable Justice Madhuresh Prasad, and Honorable Justice Gaurang, members of the Computer Committee, the learned Registrar General, learned Registrar IT, the learned Central Project Coordinator, the learned district judges and other learned judges of the district judiciary who have joined this program virtually, the entire IT team of the High Court of Calcutta, other special invitees, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to have been given this opportunity to inaugurate a very important facility of forming part of the e-governance, which has put the West Bengal district judiciary in the e-map of India. Honorable Justice Chakraborty had elaborated about how the e-filing initiative has been implemented in the commercial courts, and on trial basis, how it is going to be taken forward. In fact, e-filing of cases in West Bengal started with the High Court sometime during January 2022. And even now, it is being successfully implemented in all the, especially in cases where the government is the party, where they file the. Of course, though we have inaugurated this facility, since we are still in the paper-based system and yet to migrate to the paperless system, it will have its own teething problems. But someday we have to be in this. So, in fact, the COVID pandemic taught us to equip ourselves in the matter of e-governance, and slowly we have been inching forward. In fact, this project has been implemented as part of the phase 2 of the e-courts project of the Honorable Supreme Court. For successful implementation of this project, about 108 core i3 desktops have been procured at a cost of more than rupees 53 lakhs, 180 scanners of more than rupees 37 lakhs, and hardware has been procured for the e-Seva Kendras in the district and subdivisional courts from the funds allotted by the Honorable E-Committee. And 86 number of scanners have been provided to the e-Seva Kendras in the district judiciary with a cost of about 34 lakhs. 516 all-in-one PCs for all the e-Seva Kendras in the district judiciary has been procured at a cost of more than 2 crores 90 lakhs. Apart from that, 55 porta cabins with 83 number of land nodes has been also put in place. So by this infrastructural development which has been done, I am sure that the project, the e-filing project, can be taken forward. It is no doubt true that initially we will have teething problems. That is why the Central Project Coordinator has devised a program for training the advocates, the law clerks, the court staff, and other stakeholders on a periodical basis, so that the full potential of this facility can be exploited. And by adopting to this e-filing procedure, definitely it will enable faster case resolution and improve access to justice, especially for people who are there in the remote areas. So slowly we will upgrade the systems So in fact, for the High Court also a proposal has been sent to the government for a sanction of funds for procuring the tabs which will be kept in the courtrooms so that the e-filed cases can be viewed by the learned judges, by the honorable judges sitting on their dais without depending upon the paper when physical filing. So I congratulate all the stakeholders, especially the IT team of the High Court of Calcutta, the Central Project Coordinator, the Registrar IT, the Registrar General, and the Honorable Chairman and members of the Computer Committee who have untiringly followed up the matter and made it a reality as on today. So I have once again, I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity of inaugurating a very important facility, putting the West Bengal District Judiciary in the e-map of India. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Lordship. Thank you, Your Lordship. May I now request Honorable Justice Debangsu Basak, Honorable Member, Calcutta High Court Computer Committee, to present the vote of thanks.
Good morning, Chief Justice, my brother and sister judges who have joined us on the virtual platform, Honorable Chairman of the Computer Committee, members of the Computer Committee, Registrar General, and the other registrars who are present in the principal bench, district judges and the judges of the other judicial officers who are present virtually. Good morning to all of you. It's my proud privilege to present this vote of thanks on this momentous day for the state of West Bengal. We are taking a small step forward towards placing our state in the e-map of India, so far as judiciary in the district judiciary is concerned. A portion of the district judiciary which was dealing with commercial division matters, commercial court matters. Three of the courts of the commercial courts were receiving filing through e-filing mode. Now, the entire district judiciary will be receiving cases relating to matrimonial disputes in the e-filing form, both along with the physical filing. Now, just an interesting piece of data. Now that we are introducing as a pilot project and trying to assess the impact on all the stakeholders with regard to this e-filing in the state of West Bengal, so that we can put in place certain corrective measures if required. The last year's data of e-filing of civil cases, not e-filing, filing of civil cases for the year 2023 as available in the National Judicial Data Grid for the state of West Bengal is 1,53,525, out of which 36,560 are matrimonial cases. This roughly translates to around 24% of the total civil cases filed. Although this e-filing is a pilot project, but it seeks to address a large portion, in my view, of the civil cases that are being filed in the district judiciary. This would give us an idea as to how and where we require corrective measures, if there be any, and taking the entire e-filing ecosystem forward for the entire district judiciary. Now, in doing this, I will, of course, extend our thanks on behalf of the E-Committee to the Honorable E-Committee of the Supreme Court, who has guided us on this project. Of course, special thanks must be extended to our Chief Justice, who, as the previous chairperson of the E-Committee, was instrumental in guiding us, and even today, he is an inspiration for all of us in the E-Committee. President Chairman of the committee, Justice Chakraborty, also guides us, and thanks. I extend my gratitude to His Lordship also. Other brothers of the committee puts in various valuable inputs while we discuss various matters relating to the e-committee subject in the committee meetings. Thanks to you, to my brothers in the committee. I should also mention now CPC and the predecessors in office of the CPC who are presently available on the virtual platform as district judges. Their contribution are also there for so that we are standing in today as we are with regard to e-filing. Thank you for your cooperation, assistance, and your efforts. Your untiring efforts both during the COVID times and presently have shown us the way forward. We will take this forward surely with your able assistance. District judges and judicial officers present on the virtual platform from the e-committee side, we will be extending, in fact, we are extending your a heartful gratitude to your cooperation in allowing this to take place in the respective district judiciary. Our request will be that to ensure that this project is implemented, its full potential is exploited, and if there be any problem with regard to any e-filing, howsoever small that may be, if it is not resolved at your end, please do come back to us so that we are apprised and we are in a position to take remedial measures. A special thanks should be extended to the software developers and the IT team, both at the High Court and the High Court at Calcutta. The IT teams available in the district judiciary also should be. I should mention a special thanks to them. They are instrumental in facilitating and maintaining the ecosystem. Their assistance are noted with gratitude. Last but not the least, the PWD department who extend their unwavering support in implementations of this project, and more importantly, the periodic maintenance of this project is something which is very important. Thanks to you all also. This e-project hopefully, and in fact it will, take us forward for making justice available at the doorstep of the litigant. Today, as the system stands before the inauguration, litigants could approach the court on the virtual platform and participate in the court proceedings. Now they will be in a position to e-file presently the matrimonial dispute cases and going forward the entirety of the pleadings before a court of law. This, in my view, will make justice available to the doorstep of every litigant at a cost-effective measure, and it will be beneficial for the rule of law. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you, my lord. Now, with your lordship's kind leave, can I conclude the program with the national anthem, my lord?
Yes, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Lord.
Thank you.
Super.